Freecash notifications can stop appearing when app permissions, account settings, or device notification controls block alerts. By the end, you'll know how to check Freecash notification settings and fix the most common reasons alerts are not showing. The first place to check is your device notification settings. Open your phone settings, find Freecash in the app list, and make sure notifications are allowed. If notifications are turned off at the device level, Freecash cannot send alerts even if your account settings are correct. Next, open the Freecash app and check the settings menu. Look for any notification options and confirm that available alerts are enabled. If you changed your notification preferences recently, the app may not send the types of alerts you disabled. Another common issue is background restrictions. Some phones limit apps from running in the background to save battery, which can affect notifications. Check your battery settings and make sure Freecash is not restricted from sending updates. You should also check whether you are signed into the correct Freecash account. Notifications are connected to the account you are using, so switching accounts can change what alerts you receive. If you are using Freecash through a browser, check your browser notification permissions. The browser may block alerts even when the Freecash account is working normally. Updating the app can also help. Open your device's app store and install any available Freecash update. Avoid reinstalling the app before checking basic settings. A simple permission issue can often cause missing notifications without requiring a full reinstall. If notifications still do not work, contact Freecash support through the platform. Explain that notifications are not appearing, and include your device type, app version, and the steps you already tried. The main fixes are simple. Enable device notifications, review Freecash settings, remove battery restrictions, and update the app if needed. Open your phone settings first, and confirm Freecash notifications are allowed before changing anything else. Subscribe for more Freecash troubleshooting guides and app fixes, and like the video if this helped you restore your notifications.